Good morning, students. Let us see our syllabus in continuation with our yesterday's lecture. So, yesterday I have introduced our subject in detail, uh, but we could not cover practical syllabus that I will discuss about the practicals to be covered in detail today. For a short time, for 5 minutes, you just go through syllabus at individual level, the material which is uploaded on the Google Class. At this moment, I can see that about 8 students have joined. Am I audible and if screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3 minutes. You just till then you go through the content given on our Google Classroom. I have uploaded the syllabus copy. You can read line to line, word to word, and ask me doubts. If you have any doubt related to the content of the syllabus, or uh, if you want to know more about any, then again ATP COPO mapping. CO आणि PO काय असतात हे पहिल्यांदा तुमच्या लक्षात आलं पाहिजे की फॉर एनी सब्जेक्ट or for each subject there are course outcomes that what you will learn from this subject. And there are 12 program outcomes. Program outcome means what you will learn in civil engineering. So these are the 12 program outcomes, and these are these 3 program specific outcomes, PSO 1, 2, 3. So this is the mapping. Mapping means I will take one more extra lecture to explain all these things in detail, how it is mapped. But just remember, there are COs, POs, and PSOs for our course. आणि हे लेवल किती कव्हर जे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल असेल त्या पद्धतीने ते कितपत कव्हर कर इट इज मॅप. वन म्हणजे टू म्हणजे मॉडरेट अँड ऑर मोर. Uploaded submission manual for reference. You can go through it. It's a very interesting subject, and we will make it interesting, more interesting, with with PPTs, videos, and different topics which we will cover. Will be very much interesting to know how the cities are developed worldwide, who has contributed, and how we should solve the issues related to the urbanization. So this overall subject is very much interesting to know all these issues related to urban development. And in future also, considering urbanization, there is tremendous scope for urban planners. MMRDA, PMRDA or town plan department has tremendous scope. Nagarpalika, even Nagar. And there is scope for civil engineer as urban planner, urban planning or town planning. You just Google various things related to our subject also. University question paper, I have uploaded one university question paper analysis, sorry, two. It's completely theoretical, but it demands writing, proper concepts, and with some that it will be easier for the evaluator to judge the content given. But last 2 semesters, we have seen that we are giving examination on the basis of multiple choice questions. So that we will also cover or discuss, but this analysis is for earlier conventional pattern of descriptive type of writing. Results of previous examinations, there is about 100% result. One or two students sometimes remain absent or did not opt for the examination due to their earlier backlogs. Due to that, sometimes one or two students have received one backlog. But this subject is too much scoring. Everyone in earlier pattern also, and as well as this online pattern also, everyone has scored more than 70 marks in total out of 100. And these are the course objectives. Unit wise, what you will study in each unit, that is described in all these uh, course objectives. I will give you time. I will complete my session as early as possible, and I will give you about 20 minutes to read all these things at your own. And I have posted 2 questions as a homework. Everyone has to answer these questions on the Google Classroom. I have uploaded one uh, November 18 question paper. After 1 or 2 lectures, you will be in condition to attempt this question paper also. Means this is that much easy to write the examination, but to score good marks and to write in detail, you need to listen all the lectures and read whatever links, PDFs or study material is given to you. Then you will be able to well as townships from Pune or nearby cities, and even new towns planned in India, Mumbai, Chandigarh. We were planning for a visit, but it could not happen. Let us see, considering this pandemic situation, where we can visit this year, or even we can go for development plan preparation of Mahabaleshwar or Satara, that we can visit. Tourism aspect in the planning of Mahabaleshwar Pachgani regional plan. I will explain what is how development plan and regional plan is prepared. So this is a link to go to smart cities, or link for smart cities government mission, smart city mission of the central government. This is website for Ministry of Urban Housing, Urban Development. Uh, on that you will see URDPFI guideline. This is like IS code. While planning for infrastructure facilities, we need to some have guidelines, and with these guidelines you can decide how much or how many number of facilities, their size, that how we can plan with the help of these URDPFI guidelines. This is one of the, I do have many books, online books also. Time handbook on urban studies, you can go through it. So I have posted these 2 questions can attempt these questions. Name some good planned cities worldwide. And from India. So you need to search for it. So your interest will be developed and you will be curious to know more about the city planning. And here I have posted one more question. Explain problems faced by many cities in recent days. You must be aware of the problems faced by many cities in recent period that you can comment or discuss. So first experiment is study and analysis of development plan. So development plan looks like this, like a map. In that, reservations are made. You will see different color codes: residential, commercial, industrial. This is inner city, core city area. We'll go in detail. I will explain part to part. But at this moment, you should understand what is development plan or how it look like. So with this color code, you can understand what is the reservation provided to that particular area. Yellow means residential, then green means agricultural, industrial, transportation. You can see all the different color codes used here. Here you can see this is old municipal limit area. In the recent period, previous to our Bara, look like Andhrawadi area. This is Baramati MIDC area is excluded planning authority. Here you can see our Vidya Pratishthan. But you will see that our whole campus is in MIDC, so this is not shown. Remaining part, that is part of our municipal council area. Our new building, hostel, and here is part of, this is Bigwan Road. This is MIDC area. This is Rui area. So accordingly, we will see how the facilities are reserved. Means at that time, planning for the MIDC, this part was reserved for the educational facilities, and that was taken by Vidya Pratishthan Trust. म्हणजे MIDC मध्ये जे plots, the plots which are made are allotted or sold out to the customers, and accordingly they develop as per the reservation. So here you can see this is Jolochi area. This is Jolochi Chowk. At this time, this red color indicates that these roads are to be developed, and you will see that along the bank of this Jolochi stream or Oda Nala, the road is developed now. This is called as DP road, development plan road, and this meets to the Jolochi road near Tarangan Society before of Jolochi Chowk. So here you will see that there is no development at this moment. Still, garden is proposed. This area is reserved for agricultural as a buffer zone. Still here you will see that solid waste management plant is proposed. And this road goes to the Sawal Nirgude road. So I will talk in detail about the planning of different facilities and how we plan for cities. We are not planning for one individual building, but we are planning for whole city. That is most important, and how the city is planned or growth of city is planned, that we will see in this assignment. Then we have development plans of Mahabaleshwar. Here you will see that forest area is there and different. So most of the area is in green color, and you will see different points and the urban local body area. I will explain in detail by zooming in. I will show you different points in the Mahabaleshwar and how all these facilities are developed to have more tourism development. Because while planning for any area, we need to understand what is the strength of that particular area. In Mahabaleshwar, tourism is good. So we need to motivate or strengthen the tourism related facilities so that more tourists will be attracted and revenue will be generated. We cannot propose more industries in the Mahabaleshwar. So accordingly, in each area, we need to plan or we need to propose different facilities area. If in sorry, Munnar Tekadi in the Kerala for about 1 month for the training for the preparation of regional plan of Idukki district. So there you will see in the tea gardens. So many people to see these tea gardens and Idukki. So we need to understand the strengths. We need to develop that area for income and more employment opportunities. Then again, I have development plan preparation assignments, Saswad, Washing. Then this is one of the neighborhood planning concept. As a part of planning, how particularly small area is planned, that we will see in this neighborhood planning concept. Then I do have these PPTs, planners PPTs, and their planning concepts. So in the experiment number 3, I have allotted these planners to you all, and we will study these concepts, their planning philosophy through presentation, and you will be able to understand how the different cities like New York or London or Barcelona, then many cities in Brazil, in North America or USA are planned. And what we see today is not just development at their own, but someone has taken efforts to plan all these cities, and how the planning process is different from different in different cities or different areas in countries, that we will see. So these are the different planners. I will upload all these presentations on the Google Classroom. Report on any existing new towns like Mumbai, Gandhinagar. So these are the PPTs that we will also upload on the Google Classroom. There are many schemes for the urban development like JNNERM. You must have heard about JNNERM, Smart City Mission, Redevelopment, Conservation. So I will explain step by step. Then study of Smart City and Amrut guidelines. Smart City link I have already provided. That we will study. Then special township concept. We will see how the special township concept is evolved and Maharera. Maharera is one of the act recently added in our country. So what are the objectives of this act? Some acts related to this subject. One of the act is MRTP Act. This is the base for the planning. Then Land Acquisition Act, RERA. So these acts will be planning process. In unit number 1, we will see difference between architects, civil engineer, and planner. Second unit is about landscaping, how landscaping is important and done for projects. Then unit number 3, 4. 3 is starting off actually planning process, MRTP Act, benefits of planning, development plan, regional plan, town planning scheme. Unit number 4 is about planning agencies. Unit number 5 is about Land Acquisition Act, URDFI guidelines. What we were discussing yesterday and today is covered in our whole syllabus. This is very much interesting to know that what are the planning processes around us. Just in our city also, we are not aware of the all these efforts taken by the planning section, and we thought or we enjoy visiting at these places. Then only places or otherwise we will not that sufficient facilities in our area. That's why you will see that in Baramati also there are some good facilities as compared to other taluka places. This planning process in Baramati is good. Okay, I will give you for going through all this study, and I will take attendance for today. You utilize this remaining 20 minutes to answer these 2 questions and go through the details or content made available on our Google Classroom.